Hey everyone, how you guys doing today? It's DD, and I wanted to go over Avax. I don't know if you've been watching Avalanche as I have been, and we are going up after we hit a nice support, and we're going up strong, but I really see us hitting a supply zone soon. So if you are a day trader like I am, then you should definitely check out this video right now. Hey guys, welcome back. It's DD. And I wanted to go over the Avax chart with you today because I definitely see movement today. It's really going up, but I think we're about to slow down before we continue going up. Obviously, I'm not talking as an investor. As an investor, I believe in all crypto, but as a day trader, I'm able to long and I'm able to short. So I'll show you where I think that maybe you could get in long, but likely we're going to have to hold off in our longs and see what's going to happen. So let's check it out over here. So here in the daily, we see that there is like this major daily support zone. Now, after the big fall in January, we got all the way down here, but we eventually did crawl back up to the space where we knew we would be, which is this support zone. And it didn't even cause so much resistance. It went back up to this zone, pretty much that, dotted line over there. But it didn't even get all the way up. And that showed me this trend line. That was February 10th, which was last week. And then I have like a really perfect trend line over here. So that's one resistance point. Then a little bit above that, we have this, dotted line, which is a second possible resistance point. But even closer, if we go over here, we'll see that as we went up, we created an evening star, which is one candle up, this kind of like doji candle, and then look at that bearish engulfing candle, which took us all the way back down to support. Now, we are right now approaching this supply zone. So I do think that even though, this is just the daily, but if we go down to the, let's say, the 1 hour, so look how we have been doing over the past, day and a half, like we're really going up now, but we're about to hit this supply zone. Now look at this head and shoulders going on over here. So this was a major reversal that took us all the way down to the support. Then it pushed right back up, but I do think that we're gonna, somewhere in this block, we are going back down. And if it does manage to push through this block, then it's definitely going to be pushed down by that huge, very noticeable trend line that we saw before. And if it goes even more, then we're gonna hit this zone over here, this dotted line. Now, so if you're a day trader, I know you wanna go long over here, but it just doesn't give you an opportunity yet to go long. So if you're looking to go long because you see the market's going long, you gotta wait till something like, down here and then go up. Because over here we saw like a support and some support over here. Maybe you want to wait for some type of double bottom over here if you don't want to wait all the way down to the support again. But if you are looking for longs, that's what I would do. But otherwise, I would, even though I do believe in Avalanche going forward, I do see us approaching this supply zone over here. So that's how I'm seeing it, guys. This is what's going on in Avalanche. And as we see, like, over the past 2 days, we're really just like shooting up, and it's great. If you're an investor, then maybe get in, or actually I would wait a little bit because we're definitely going to see a push down before we go back up, and you might even get a better price. But if you're looking to day trade, like I'm looking to day trade, then this is what I'm seeing over here. We're approaching a major supply zone, and then we're going to have that major resistance over here, plus the trend line. So there's a lot of reasons to short the market at that point. So once it gets to that point, you're going to want to look for, some fake out with a bearish candle or some double top, something going on. If you guys need any help in the day trading aspect, definitely check out my course. It's helpwithtrading.com. I go over from A to Z, technical analysis, how to see the charts. And it's all about this type of stuff, and also the trading psychology, because you're going to need that when you're getting into the market day in and day out. So helpwithtrading.com. If this video gives you value, then definitely give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see more. We're going to talk a lot about other price predictions on crypto, as well as my technical analysis in Forex, and some trading psychology and traders mindset videos. A lot to go on here, so keep on following me, guys. All right, DD out.